If you want to kind of make it like a real alarm, with, you know, like we have the buzzer. What else might we use to give some make it not just sound alarm, but also something visual that we can see? What do you say, Ethan? Yeah, the LED, right? We can use the LED matrix, or we can also use the RGB strip. Okay. So we could use this to kind of make a flashing light, right? Or maybe a message. You could use the 8x8 LED to have like a little happy face or a little sad face or something like that, okay? So yeah, I think those are the main parts that we're going to use today. We're also going to use the joystick, though not to like play video games or anything. It also has another function that we'll tell you about later. It means the doorbell, right? So the doorbell, we don't have a doorbell, right? We don't have a button. But actually, if you take a look at your joystick, take a look at your joystick. Can you press down on that like a button? Yes, right? Okay. So try to. It's a button, right? So if somebody comes to your house, right? Okay. So if someone comes to your house and rings the doorbell, they're a friend or they're someone who's come for a good reason. So we shouldn't ring the alarm, right? But if somebody comes by and they don't ring the bell, and they're just sneaking around, then we know they're probably up to no good, right? Okay? So it's within 10 cm of the ultrasonic sensor without ringing the doorbell. Should we do 10 cm, do you? LED matrix should display a warning, okay, like this. And also the beep, 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 beep. But I don't know if, can it make a loud sound like that? Like beep, beep. What will happen if you ring the doorbell? What is it, Manling, right? What happens if you ring the doorbell? What should happen? The camera? Yeah, maybe, yeah, your house might have a camera. I don't think our NKNU block has a camera. That would be cool, but I don't think we have that on there. Let's see, can I call on, how about Wayne? Wayne, let me pick on you. Wayne, what do you think should happen if you ring the doorbell? Think about your house. If you ring the doorbell, what will happen? Open the door? Yeah, that would be cool, but again, I don't think we can... You don't know they're there, and then when you come back home, oh, my TV's gone. Something like that.